बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पीच ट्री का चौथा क्वेश्चन, इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। Zen Enterprises merchandising business of shirts। सबसे पहले आप इसमें अपने चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट्स जो हैं वो तैयार कर लें। कैपिटल, इक्विटी गेट्स क्लोज, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, इक्विटी रिटेन्ड अर्निंग, अकाउंट पेबल टू अकाउंट पेबल, account receivable to account receivable, inventory, sale, purchase, rent, securities, cash, bank, stationery, furniture, salary, expense। इसको आप लिंक करेंगे एक्सपेंस अकाउंट के साथ। सैलरी पेबल, ये हमारी अदर करंट लायबिलिटी है। टेलीफोन एक्सपेंस, इसको आप एक्सपेंस के साथ लिंक करोगे। टेलीफोन पेबल, इसको आप अदर करंट लायबिलिटीज़ के साथ। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंस, और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पेबल। डेप्रिसिएशन, क्यूम्युलेटिव डेप्रिसिएशन। आपके चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट्स क्रिएट हो चुके हैं, इसको आप यहाँ से क्लोज करें। फर्स्ट एंट्री, Mr. Zain invested rupees 60 lakh cash in business। कैश 60 लाख डेबिट। दूसरी ट्रांजैक्शन, कैश पेड फॉर ऑफिस रेंट 15,000, रेंट डेबिट। एंड रुपीज 1 lakh फॉर सिक्योरिटी, कैश क्रेडिट। Next transaction, deposited cash in MCB bank rupees 20 lakh, bank debit and cash credit। Next transaction, cash paid for office stationery purchased rupees 500. Stationery debit 500 and cash credit 500. Next transaction, purchase office furniture for cash. Furniture debit purchase office furniture for cash rupees 25,000, furniture 25,000 debit and cash credit 25,000. The next transaction is issued a purchase order number PO1 to Iqbal and company for the purchases of 1000 pieces shirts at rupees 200 on account. First of all, you have to create account of Iqbal, maintain and create a vendor. परचेज डिफ़ॉल्ट परचेज का अकाउंट यहाँ लिंक करवाएं एंड टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस को यहाँ से ऑफ कर दें. नाउ सेव एंड क्लोज. परचेज ऑर्डर के लिए टास्क एंड परचेज ऑर्डर इकबाल PO-1. How much quantity? 1000 items shirts. Create the count of item. Sale account, inventory account and purchase account. Units of measurement pieces. Save and close. Amount rupees 200. This is the purchase order. Now save and close. The next transaction is purchase 1000 PC shirts at 200 from Iqbal and company against purchase order. जो परचेज ऑर्डर किया गया था उसके अगेंस्ट आपने परचेजेस की हैं. इसको टास्क में जाकर रिकॉर्ड करें. परचेज इन्वेंट्री, सेलेक्ट द नेम ऑफ द वेंडर, उसके बाद P1. दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट परचेज. नाउ सेलेक्ट परचेज ऑर्डर 1. कितनी शर्ट्स आपने रिसीव की? 1000. टाइप 1000 एंड एंटर. Save and close. The next transaction is return defective shirts 50 piece at 200 to Iqbal and company. Task and vendor credit memos Iqbal. This is your first purchase, return type the PR-1. Now select the bill. 50 shirts, type 50, press enter, save and close. Issued a check rupees 25,000 to Iqbal. Task and choose payments. Bank, Iqbal. Type the check number here and the amount is 25,000. Save and close. Purchase 100 pieces shirts for at rupees 180 for cash. Task and purchase. Create a vendor XYZ and link the account of purchase here. This is your second purchase, type P2 and the quantity is 100 shirts at rupees 180. Amount paid at purchase 18,000. Select the cash account. Purchase 100 PC shirts at 180 for cash. Save and close. Next transaction is quotation sent to Arif and Company. Create your customer by the name of Arif. In the section of sales default, link here the sale account. Now task sales quotation quotes. Arif, this is your first quotation, type Q-1. Quotation sent to Arif and Company for 300 pieces of shirts at 500 on 90 days credits. Type 90 days in the terms column. Now save and close. Receive a purchase order from Arif and Company against the quotation earlier. Send it recorded as a sales order 300 pieces at 500. Task quotations. Now press the back button and here is the option of convert your quotation. Do you want to convert your quotation in sales invoicing or sales order? Now convert it to sales order. This is your first sale order. Type SO1, then close. Now task and sales. Arif, this is the your sale S4 and invoice S1 300. The transaction will cause the customer's balance to go to the over credit limit. Say yes and close. Now the return defective shirt 6 piece at rupees 500 from Arif and Company. 6 pieces आपको रिटर्न किए गए हैं. टास्क में जाके क्रेडिट मेमोज. Now Arif sales return 1. Select the bill and 6 piece, press enter. Save and close. Cash paid for salary rupees 10,000 for the month of July. Task journal and salary expense debit 10,000 and cash credit. The next transaction is received a check rupees 50,000 from Arif and Company and deposited in bank. Save and close. Task receipts. Receipts from where to Arif. Delete the discount amount and receipt 50,000. Save and close. The next transaction is to sold 200 pieces shirts at 475 to Ali Corporation for cash. Maintain a customer by the name of Ali and link here the sales account. Now task and sales invoicing. Ali and S2 200 pieces shirts at rupees 475 to Ali Corporation for cash. Amount paid at sale 95,000. Payment method cash. Choose the cash account. Put the reference here. This is the cash sale. Okay, the net due amount will be 0. Press save and close. Cash drawn by the owner for the personal use. Task journal. For this purpose we have to create account of drawing. Drawing is also an expense, but you link to be it. Equity gets closed because it is the contra entity which is affected by the capital. Drawing. Drawing debit. $1,000 from bank and cash credit. The next transaction is cash drawn from MCB rupees 30,000 for business use. In this transaction cash will be debit 30,000 and MCB bank credit 30,000. Now save and close. The next transaction is received a check rupees 10,000 from Arif and Company. Tasks and receipts. Select Arif, reference number, check number, and delete the amount of discount. Received a check rupees 10,000 from Arif. Type 10,000, save and close. Issued a check rupees 5,000 to Iqbal and Company. Task, payments, Iqbal, and 5,000. Type cross check name here. Save and close. Salary payable for the month of 15,000. Task journal. Salary expense debit and salary payable credit. Salary expense debit and salary payable credit. In the next transaction, telephone bill payable for the month of June 2,500. Telephone expense debit 2,500 and telephone bill payable 2,500. Electricity bill expense 5,000. Electricity payable 5,000. Depreciation on furniture 3,750. Depreciation account debit 3,750 and accumulated depreciation credit 3,750. Now save and close. Go to reports, financial statements, income statement 91,330. This is your net income, which is correct, and balance sheet 6272,830. This is also correct. Do the practices more.